Hi everyone, I'm Peter Standish, Consulting Director at Risk Mentor, and I'm really excited to be also the Chair of the Advisory Committee for IIMM's International Mine Health and Safety Conference in 2026. Really excited to be part of this. It's going to be great. It's a really interesting conference program that's shaping up. There's lots of interesting discussions occurring within the conference committee, and what we're really targeting and what makes this different and so worthwhile for people in the industry to consider is it's not really looking at just something for the health and safety professionals. What we're really trying to do is build up a program and provide quality information from really high caliber speakers that's going to pick up and provide really useful information from everyone from the sort of beginning graduates, even the supervisors and senior personnel at the mine, through to more senior roles. I guess a key theme, and something that we're all discussing and getting excited about, is a big part of this is providing really actionable, useful information for professionals who are acting in those statutory roles and ones who have got that legal obligation around being a person in control of a business undertaking. It's going to be value adding, and I can see us with so many good people and so many good ideas bouncing around. We're really going to see a step change in what a health and safety conference can deliver for attendees. A key question and concern for people who are thinking, well, what I have to do health and safety wise is about the emerging trends around psychosocial safety. What the conference committee's been working on and what we're trying to do is get speakers who are knowledgeable both in the science behind psychosocial safety, but more importantly, looking at the operational piece. I mean, how do you pick this up, and how do you, as a current or upcoming leader in the industry, provide that environment, that work environment within which all of your people can flourish? So this touches on the crossover between health and safety, because the health impacts and the distraction that can come from that conditions that are around the psychology have a massive impact around that, ultimately the safety outcomes. We're combining the two, providing really useful tools and leadership thoughts and guidance, and it's another reason why attendance at the conference is going to add so much to you as a professional in the industry. Delegates will have some serious takeaways from this conference. What we're looking to provide from the conference program is coverage in the 5 key areas. What do you need to do as a professional on the site to enhance your health and safety management system? What do you need to do to improve and enhance the knowledge your people have and the way that they work? What do you need to think about in terms of equipment? And that's a really important piece, is if we give people the right equipment, we increase the potential for safe outcomes. We're also then looking at mine design and how we set up our work environments, and the interaction piece. How do we have our work crews and our people interact? So you're looking at getting knowledge around those 5 key areas, and we're doing that with a format that involves knowledgeable speakers speaking to the audience, as well as workshops, expert panels, and really trying to get maximum engagement from people who attend. This is a conference for the attendees, not to the attendees. I know in our conference we're really reaching out to an international audience, and why people who are coming from overseas to Australia should really think about what they're hoping to bring to and take from the conference. It's not just about the Australian regulatory setting. What we're looking at is really taking what's been proven globally as critical to health and safety outcomes, which is around saying we need to be performance focused and looking at delivering the right outcomes. And that really comes down to saying health and safety is another outcome from really effective operating practices. So really what we're planning to narrow the conference down to and really have the conference resonate around is good quality practices and good quality information. Sharing those ideas about how different regulators interact is important, but really it's all going to come down to saying, if we're doing the right thing for the right reasons in the right way, we're going to get absolutely first-rate health and safety outcomes globally, and that's the goal of the conference. You need to think about attending this conference if you're a professional in the industry. And that doesn't mean just someone with a professional qualification. It means someone who wants to act and behave professionally in their work. Health and safety is the absolute bedrock. It's the minimum deliverable of everything we do and every way we work. So attending the conference will give you the chance to share thoughts and ideas and really get the opportunity to network so that you can hear from other people as to the journey they've traveled, the lessons they've learned, and really the best possible learning you can have is from someone else's mistakes. This is not just a conference about things that go wrong, but this is a conference about finding out what works for other sites and other people. So I'd strongly recommend, if you're thinking that you've got a longer term career in the industry, you should be attending this conference. I'd like to invite you to join us at the International Mine Health and Safety Conference at the Pan Pacific in Perth from the 5th to the 7th of October 2026. You can register and find out more information at aussimm.com. I'm Peter Standish. Hope to see you in October 26.